So the thing to know about tomorrow, it's going to start off cool, but it shakes out to be a really nice day. In Northwest Arkansas, we're set for the upper 30s, low 40s. As that sun rises, we'll quickly warm up. Lunchtime temperatures comfortably right around 60 degrees. Abundant sunshine all day long tomorrow. It's going to be a gorgeous one. If you don't have plans and you're able to play hooky from work, not a bad day to do it. Good day out of the golf course. Winds are going to be light around 5 to 10 miles per hour. That sunshine takes us into the low 70s in the River Valley. Meanwhile, I think we top out in the upper 60s in Northwest Arkansas. Rain chances over the next several days, somewhat at a minimum, at least through Wednesday. We'll have to bump it up slightly for generally north of Interstate 40. I'm going to go with about a 20% chance of a stray shower Wednesday. Thursday looks good. Most of the day Friday looks good. But by Friday evening, we're tracking the beginning of what's likely to be a little bit of a rocky weather pattern that continues well into the Easter weekend. Unfortunately, it looks like we're going to have a tough time avoiding storms with this one. Friday right now is the day we're going to watch, but I'll tell you, Easter Sunday may be a problem for us as well. Here's the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. It outlines what equates to a level 2 risk of severe storms for a good chunk of the area. Details with regard to exact placement and exact hazards yet to be determined, but we do know that the overall pattern is going to get a bit stormy. We're going to have a couple of different days of rain and potentially some storms, and the overall ingredients coming together would support, unfortunately, some damaging winds, some hail. Can't rule out a tornado. Of course, we don't know much more than that at this point, but we'll keep you posted as we get closer. Again, this is going to be Friday evening. It shakes out like this. There's going to be an approaching cold front. So rain chances respond accordingly by Friday afternoon into the evening. Things are probably going to be somewhat scattered initially. I don't know if everyone's going to see rain or storms initially Friday evening, but as we get into the weekend, what happens is this cold front, it stalls out, and it's going to be the focal point for a few different rounds of rain and possibly some thunderstorms throughout the course of the weekend. This is Saturday afternoon. Yeah, not looking too great, right? And that continues to be the case as that front kind of just meanders throughout the area. At times, some of this rainfall could get heavy. Right now, I'm thinking the axis of highest rainfall totals may be just off to our northwest, but that's a little bit close for comfort, so we'll have to watch and see where that band of heavy rain sets up. This is lunchtime, a little after lunch, getting out of church services come Sunday. If you're one of those folks that are organizing all these festivities, these Easter egg hunts and Easter brunch, here's the thing. I don't think it's time to cancel plans just yet. I do think it's time to probably be thinking of alternatives. In the next day or two, we'll have a better idea of exact timing, and maybe if we're lucky, we can squeeze out a break in the rain. When it is all said and done over the next 7 days, 1 to 3 inches looks to be common for most of the area. Again, it's all going to come down to where is that axis of heavy rainfall, which right now looks to be just off to our northwest. We'll make sure that doesn't change. If it does, we'll keep you posted. Your 10-day forecast shows sunny skies tomorrow. A few more clouds on Wednesday as that weak disturbance passes through. 20% chance of a spotty shower north of I-40. Thursday, the winds are going to get breezy out of the south, at times up to about 40 miles per hour. That's going to drive those temperatures into the low 80s. They stay there most of the day Friday ahead of those rain showers and potential thunderstorms. Saturday, 60% chance of rain and storms. We'll keep it at 50 now for Sunday. The thing is, if this forecast continues trending the way it does, it very well could be a wet and stormy Easter weekend, and it probably doesn't end there. Going into next week, it looks like we're going to have additional chances of some of those April showers. Could even see some more rumbles of thunder as well. Just kind of that time of the year, so we'll enjoy the nice, dry, sunny weather while we got it.